here's another video. Today we're going to be belching some more. I don't know if there's any more requests of what I'm expected to say in this video. But again, belching, funnest thing you can do in the world. Belching is much more fun if just the way I'm able to know how to belch should be the same funnier and more awesome way if you knew how to control your farts.
It shows your dominance.
It shows belching shows dominance.
It shows your dominance when you're in a echoed area.
So I guess I can say something like, I fucked. Well, that one kind of failed, but you know, like, all you do is just take an inhale, like, a little baby one to spare. Nikki, would you like to become my faithful assistant and try to see if you can master my technique?
I know I will fail, but yet I will attempt it.
Alright, what you do is just take an inhale, but close your throat.
Wait, my turn. Wait, it's just my turn.
You try, Brandon. Inhale.
It's stuck.
I just can't do it.
Let's see if I can try the old man belch. That one sounds like constipation.
So, Jakey, would you like any YouTubers to leave comments on what they would want you to, like a request of what they want you to like say or anything?
On our YouTube channel, just leave comments and requests of what you would like to see.
What type of words would you like to? What
any
type of
words, sentences, any phrases. Would you like me
narrated in belch form?
Would you like me to reenact a certain play or movie scene in belch? I would do happy and be delighted to do so.
Yeah, just leave a comment, dude. That's all you gotta do. Fuzzy Dude 1.
Exactly, Brandon. Exactly. So this is the end of our video, and hope you enjoy the rest.
Do a last belch for the fellow YouTubers.
Goodbye, YouTube viewers.